Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable and use head tracking on iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to use head tracking on your iPhone or iPad, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and here the very first thing I recommend you how to try to update your software. So go ahead to your general section, go to software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find any pending software update, just try to update your software. After updating software, just go back from here, and here just look for accessibility section. Select this, scroll down and look for head tracking option. Just select head tracking and then enable this toggle. And once you have enabled, you can easily use your iPhone using your head tracking. And here you have some more options, which is raise eyebrows. So if you want to raise your eyebrows, so you can customize this feature. Here's single click, so whenever you raise your eyebrows, it will tap a single tap. So let's go back. Here's open mouth, so you can select any option for open mouth. So whenever you open your mouth, it will open anything from here you have selected. So let's say I want to select an option from here, and here's eye blink. So whenever you blink your eyes, it might select a custom menu from here. You have to select any option which you want to do. So let's say I'm gonna enable this again. Now just scroll your head up or down and then raise your eyebrows to get a tab on any option. So let's say I'm gonna tab again. So in this way you can easily use or enable head tracking on your iPhone or your iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.